did it, bro. What? What?
Wait, that's what?
What the f? What?
No.
What the f? Why did I die there? What the f?
Yes.
I beat it! I beat it!
Yes. Oh my god.
I fucking beat it! Oh my god!
You big black person! What? Oh my god. You actually beat it. What? You actually beat it,
4,067 jumps. I wonder why.
Wait, what's the 10th attempts? Oh my god, 8,014 attempts, 6 hours, 23 minutes, 16 seconds. No? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's actually over.
So fucking relieved. Dude, that's actually like the first time I beat a real new hardest in a year. Like more than a year. 464, dude.
Oh my god, wait, save the recording.
Yeah, alright.